Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video is going to feature some hair transformations. We started off with someone who does have black hair and she is wanting to go shorter with a bob haircut. The stylist ends up giving her more of a lob, and she also dyes her hair a really pretty reddish brown shade. Gorgeous. I love this hair color on her. It really just goes with her warm complexion, brightens it up, adds a bit of spice. And this is of course one of the hottest hair colors that we're going to be seeing this fall and into the winter season. And I think that it is just a breathtaking shade. So moving right along, we see someone who does have gray hair. So she is kind of shaking things up with getting some layers. If you guys didn't already know, layered haircuts are going to be huge in 2023. And we are really starting to see it trending in 2022. Loving the dimensional look with the money piece highlights and the gradual feel of the coloring. This is absolutely beautiful against the layers. And then we see another ginger tone haircut. This one does feature a nice Cleopatra style bob. Another very hot hair trend that we're going to be seeing this fall. So moving right along, she switches things up with this Mixy haircut. She does have a pop of reddish toned hair going there in the bang portion of the hair. Nice variety and dimensional tone with that one. Then we move on to the next hair transformation. This one, of course, is going to be of a pixie. So the stylist is going to give her some bangs with this one. She does have more of that longer pixie feel with that, highlights mixed in throughout. Gorgeous shape and texture created with the choppiness of the cuts. So then we move on to the next pixie haircut transformation. She is getting a bit of an undercut with this one. The undercut pixie is really starting to trend heavily as well. Many women are gravitating towards the look. It's a lot easier to style these particular haircuts simply because you're pretty much just responsible for styling the top portion of the hair versus throughout. And it's easy to head to the salon to kind of keep the maintenance up in between haircut sessions. Gorgeous. Love the amount of volume and height that was created throughout the crown and the bang portion of the hair. Beautiful pixie. So then we see another mushroom style pixie cut. Full bangs in the front with that one. And then we see another pixie haircut transformation. So the stylist did a similar variation to the previous one. She does have more shaven hair in the back, fresh bangs in the front portion of the hair. So if you guys haven't done so already, definitely be sure to give this video a like. It really helps my channel out. And just comment below, what is your favorite haircut that you are seeing this season? Are you a fan of the undercut Pixie, the Peter Pan, layers? Leave me your thoughts in the comments below. Enjoy the remaining clip of this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.